If you ain't early, well then you late. I got some early kicks right in your face. That ain't it?
Nope.
Alright, I'ma just stick to doing the videos, man. Yeah, but y'all got the drift, right? Early, low key heat, but yeah, they repping the low life. Let's talk about YouTube, fam. We early. What's going on with y'all, man? Your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy is here back at y'all with yet another video, another early look, y'all. Today, I do have a shoe that is set to be releasing at the end of November. It's the last Jordan brand release of the month, and it is a shoe that we have seen before, y'all. We just got the top cut off of it, you know what I'm saying? But we have seen this shoe in a variety of different like silhouettes, to say, you know. We got a similar one to this, but it's not quite the same. So we gonna talk about the shoes, show the shoes and all that good stuff. Before we get into it, man, hope all is well with y'all, man. Thank y'all, man. Thank y'all as always for coming through, rocking out, man. Y'all have been going crazy on the like button. Don't stop it, y'all. Keep it coming, keep it coming. I told y'all I'm gonna keep these early, and I'm gonna keep this content coming for y'all, man. So just hit the thumbs up for your boy Jay if you rocking out, man. Leave a comment down below as well. Let me know how your day is going. Let me know what you think about the shoe, what you doing with them, copping, passing. I just want to know what y'all doing with, you know, kicks and stuff that I show, man. So leave your feedback down below in the comment section, as well as if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, join the family. Shout out to all the new members, man. A lot of y'all have been saying that y'all are new. I'm like, y'all, where y'all been, man? Where y'all been? My name has been buzzing in these streets, you know what I'm saying? But hey, you're here now. I truly appreciate you. And if you are new as well, make sure you leave a comment, let me know that you are new, so I can comment back and welcome you into the family the right way. But outside of that, the discussion, the topic is about lows. So let's see what these things hitting for, man. Woo! Appreciate that. Bang! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, this is a blueberry box, in my opinion, y'all. This box is Papa Smurf blue, y'all. Special packaging on this one, man. Dope box. I love the way it looks. Yeah. This is what the Jordan 12 blueberry should have came in, y'all. Like, give us an all blue and black Jordan 12 box. I think that would have been dope. But anyways, y'all see what's going on with it. Size tag reads Jordan, Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG color blocking is black, white, Game Royal Sale, y'all. This right here isn't my size, y'all. This is a size 8.5, y'all. 8.5. So it is not my personal size. However, shout out to the person who is getting this from me, man. My sis Addie, shout out to you if you're watching. But yeah, man, this is your pair right here, and they are clean. It does come with the OG stuff. Of course, we got the lot number hidden because my light is not showing it, but y'all see what's going on. Lot number, all that good stuff. On the inside, I think I saw a white and green sticker, y'all. I think I did, but maybe I didn't. Nope. I be looking at so many shoes. So this in particular shoe doesn't have a white and green sticker. However, we do have a first in hand look of the upcoming Jordan 1 Low Game Royals. Very familiar looking shoe, y'all. But hey, November 30th, them lows are coming. Bang! So yes, sir, man. There are the lows right there, and these are nice. These are nice. These are nice. I've been saying that a lot, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you, man. I'm not mad at what Jordan brand has been doing, y'all. I'm not mad at it, y'all. They've been knocking these shoes out the park, y'all. And that's why I'm excited to see what next year will bring, man. If you haven't checked out any of the early looks that I've been dropping, y'all, go back, check out those videos, because it's a lot of upcoming heat, y'all. And I think, you know, they coming back for their crown, man. But we do have, of course, the upcoming Jordan 1 Low Game Royals, y'all. Let's talk about them. Bang! Here we have them, y'all. The Jordan 1 Low Game Royals, which is set to be releasing November 30th. Retail will be $140 on these, and they're nice, y'all, man. Look, Jordan 1 Lows have been just popping up, y'all. Like, I don't recall so many Jordan 1 Lows being released, y'all. Like, most recently, I want to say we had the Shadow Lows, and now, of course, we got upcoming these Game Royal Lows, man. Of course, if you guys are not familiar with the Game Royal, they did come out originally in a high top colorway, which I do have. I can show them to y'all. Bang! Here is the OG high Game Royals. So you see where it does get its name from, Game Royal. A difference in the two, of course, these do come with a sail. You got a nice little sail, midsole on these, and you do got the all over white midsole that came on these, but it looked like mine is kind of getting a little age to it because it's starting to yellow a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So you do got, of course, the age midsole on here, but outside of that, y'all, everything else is pretty much the same. Of course, they changed the tongue color out. We do got the black tongue on the highs, white tongue on the lows, but you know, everything else outside of that, you know, pretty much the same. But the swoosh, take a look at the swoosh. You see how defined that leather is? We got a nice little tumble look on there. It was more so that smooth leather on, of course, the highs, and that's pretty much it, y'all. You know, they pretty much the same shoe. But outside of that, y'all, these are nice, man. I'm not mad at these at all. Not mad at them. You know, I will be picking up a pair. Hopefully this is one of them shoes that you can get on sale, man. Hopefully that, you know, they won't sell out. I doubt they'll sell out because it's just too much releasing. These do not come with any extra laces, y'all. No extra laces added with these, but definitely a clean pair of shoes, y'all. I'm gonna grab a size mine for sure, but Wings logo on the back. There is a Widow's Peak on the back, y'all, and I think that these are clean, man. A solid Jordan 1 low. Comment down below, what is your thoughts on these? Are y'all still copping lows, man? What y'all doing with them? But yeah, I'm not mad at these at all. I think that this is a W, a big W shoe. And yeah, man, it's not too much to go over, man. Just that nice, you know. Is it a Chicago style color blocking on here? But it's dope, whatever it is, y'all. So we've recently gotten, of course, the black toe Jordan 1 lows. We've gotten, man, it's a long list of them, y'all. But the OGs have been taking over. And alongside this one, y'all, like I said, we have seen this colorway come out in a variety of different silhouettes. And when I say silhouettes, it's the same silhouette, but just shapes. We've had different shapes. We had the high top, and we had another version of the lows, and I'm gonna show them to y'all. Bang! Here we go, y'all, man. This is that newer version of Jordan 1 lows that we have been seeing popping up in the last few years, and we did get the Game Royals in that shoe as well, y'all. And I definitely have to go with this one over them, y'all. Gotta go with the OG look and the cream midsole, y'all. I think that this one looks better. The hits are black on it too, y'all. We don't have no black really on this pair except for in the outlining of course, the shoe. But this, the black swoosh, you know, nice look. I think that this is a better looking shoe than these. So, you know, even though I got these, I'll still be picking up these because it's a different shoe to me, you know, in my opinion. But clean, man. Comment down below, what are your thoughts on them? Which one y'all are going with? Which one y'all like better? Are we liking the newer version of the lows, or we liking the OG shape, you know, Jordan 1 lows? What y'all doing with them? But we got to get these out of here and shed some light up on these. Definitely clean. Like I said, you can throw some different color lace options in here. You can throw some red laces to go off with a little splash of red on my Dodgers jersey, or you can throw some blue laces in there, you know, go blued out. You can throw some white laces. I think white laces might be the cleanest look, you know, to go off that white tongue. Definitely gonna be a nice look when you throw them white laces in there, man. But comment down below what y'all doing with these. Is it a pass? Is it a sit? Like I said, I am not gonna rush to get these. I feel like I'll be able to get these on sale, y'all. That's just my opinion on them. And I would say to y'all, you know, don't jump out the window. If you can get them early for like 160, 170 max, I think that's a W. This is worth every bit of that, y'all. But outside of that, I would just wait around and see if you can catch them on sale. But one last look at the Jordan 1 low Game Royals, man. Hit that thumbs up, man. Y'all know where y'all seeing them earlies at first. And I'm gonna keep them coming to y'all, like I said, man. And we gotta get into these on feet, because it don't make no sense to have all these shoes and not be showing you guys these on feet, man. So hey, hit the thumbs up. I see the comments. I will keep the content coming. Y'all stay blessed. Enjoy the rest of y'all day. I will be back tomorrow, of course, with some more movies for y'all. So stay tuned. But y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I'm out, man. Peace.